Now visible?
Yes, sir. With the two angles which are made with the major axis, can we take like two slopes, M1 and M2?
Correct.
I'm taking M1 as tan alpha and M2 as tan beta.
Hmm. And we know the
They have given that tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to
lambda.
lambda.
Yes.
So M1 plus M2 is equal to lambda.
Hmm.
M1 plus M2 means from the quadratic equation, is it like 2x1 y1 divided by x1 square minus a square?
Mm-mm.
With
X
two.
x1 square minus a square. Yes, correct. Hmm. Okay. Is
But
equal
here
to
there's one
lambda.
more variable, like a is also a variable.
No, a is given in the question. A square b
They
square. If it is already
this
given, your answer, your final answer can be in the form of a, b, h, k. No issue. Sorry, h and k was not given. A, b, and lambda.
yes, sir. So 2x1 y1 divided by x1 square minus a square is equal to lambda.
Correct. This will
So
be the locus.
2x1 y1 is equal to. So I'm getting the locus to be lambda x1 square minus 2x1 y1
Hmm.
and minus lambda a square is equal to 0.
Correct. No issue. Let's do next. Tangent is drawn to ellipse x square by 27 plus y square is equal to 1 at 3 root 3 cos theta sin theta, where theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Find the value of theta such that the sum of intercepts on axis made by the tangent is minimum.
Is that 3 root 3 cos theta comma sin theta a point on the ellipse?
Yes, tangent is drawn to ellipse this at this. That means this point is on the ellipse. You can use that form xx1 yy1 form, right?
Tangent of an ellipse is equal to s1, that notation.
Yes, 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 correct. We replace x square with xx1, y square with yy1, and we substitute the points x1, y1, which is given as 3 root 3 cos theta and sin theta in this case. See, the
Is it x1 by a square plus y1
yes,
by.
yes, correct. x square by 27 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. This is our ellipse equation, right? What kind of ellipse is this?
Horizontal, because a
Correct.
value is
That's not important, but still I just asked. So x square by 27 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. And if I have to write the equation of tangent, I can write it as xx1 by 27 plus yy1 by 1 is equal to 1. And the point is 3 root 3 cos theta. The point is 3 root 3 cos theta comma sin theta. I can substitute. So x 3 root 3 cos theta divided by 27 plus y sin theta divided by 1 is equal to 1, which we can further write as x by 3 root 3 sec theta plus y by cosec theta is equal to 1. This is the tangent equation. I have converted in the intercepts form because the question is discussing about the intercept only, right?
but the denominator has 9, right?
Yes,
Oh,
denominator is 9, but in the numerator I have root 3, so that's what I have cancelled.
established.
Okay. Now I think you can relate further. Note this and try to connect.
If the intercepts are made at an angle according to the straight lines, won't it be like x by a plus y by b is equal to 1?
Correct. That means that's why I converted in this form. That means the intercept, x-intercept is 3 root 3 sec theta and the y-intercept is cosec theta.
So we have to add those.
Yes, we have to add those, and not just add, find the value of theta such that sum of the intercept on axis made by the tangent is minimum. That means the sum of intercept has to be minimum. One concept of calculus also will be applied here.
Differentiation.
Yes, slight differentiation. The at any max or min point, the slope is 0. That means the derivative is equal to 0. That means wherever there is chances that the function will form max or min, those will be stationary points.
I couldn't understand this.
We haven't done, but okay. X by 3 root 3 cos theta, y by cosec theta is equal to 1. That means the sum is, if I take the sum is 3 root 3 sec theta plus cosec theta, right? This is what we have,
Yes.
and the information given as theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2, right?
So the
Rest,
sum has to be 0 at minimum.
so I won't say sum has to be 0, the derivative of this sum should be 0, and wherever max or min forms for any function, suppose it is a function, see the what max or min concept says. If you have a
Is it
function fx, see, if you have a function fx, you do f dash x. F dash is the derivative. When you equate this with 0, you get stationary points. We have to discuss in lot detail in 12th. Stationary points. And these stationary points can either be minimum, maximum, or there are chances that they can show inflection points. Okay.
inflection points means no, not zero.
Inflection point means uh, the function is changing its curvature. Inflection points means, that means initially it was like this and suddenly it goes like this. Okay, that means initially it was concave, now it is convex. Whenever any function changes its curvature, that is called inflection point. So stationary point usually gives us minimum, max or inflection point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's it. This much idea is sufficient. Rest of the things we don't have to be
So
that
I
much.
have to
And
differentiate
yes,
this.
why like this? Why the derivative is 0 at max and min point? It is not difficult to relate. Suppose this is a function which is making max here, okay, at this particular point. When you draw the tangent at this point, the slope of this line will be what? Tell me the slope of this line. Slope of this line will be, how you find slope? You have covered in
Tan
straight.
theta.
Correct. If there is a horizontal line, what will be the theta?
Theta will be zero. Tan theta will be zero.
Correct. That means the slope is 0. And this slope we can also find by the derivative. That's why whenever there is max or min cases, the derivative is 0. This is not just true for max point, the same is true for the min point also. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. M is equal to 0. Everything we have to cover, application of derivatives. But for now, this much idea is sufficient. Note these as a extra concept points and try, let's apply in this question. Noted?
Yes, sir. I'm solving it.
Okay. ds by d theta, um, it will be 3 root 3. Do you know what is the derivative of sec theta?
Secant theta would be secant theta tan theta.
Correct. So sec theta tan theta. And what is the derivative of cosec theta?
Cosecant theta cot theta.
Yes. And that with negative. Whatever function start with c, generally it is negative, right? So minus cosec theta cot theta. And for what we have to do, made by the tangent is minimum. So ds by d theta will definitely be equal to 0. So 3 root 3 sec theta tan theta. Sec theta tan theta means we can write it as tan theta by cos theta. Okay, firstly let's leave as it is. Sec theta.
Sir, I'm getting one.
What you are getting?
I'm getting tan cube theta is equal to minus 1 by 3 root 3. Further,
Tan cube theta is equal to minus 1 by 3 root 3.
yeah, because I tried like making secant theta, uh, cosecant theta in terms of sine and cos, and I changed cot theta in terms of tan.
That's okay. But you should get tan cube theta is equal to 1 by 3 root 3, not minus. Because if you get minus, then the theta has to be between 0 to pi by 2. That means in the first quadrant. So that cannot be possible. Slight error I think you have done. Have you taken here negative cosec theta cot theta, or you have taken plus cosec theta cot theta?
The blessed.
Okay, that's error. That means if you solve it, you'll get tan cube theta is equal to 1 by 3 root 3, which means tan theta will be equal to 1 by root 3. Now tell me, for what value of theta we get tan as 1 by root 3?
We get for 30 degree.
Very good. So theta is equal to pi by 6, and it is done. And pi by 6 is between pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, noted.
Yes, sir, noted.
Okay, let's go further. Find the point on the ellipse 16x square plus 11y square is equal to 256, where common tangent to it and circle x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 15 touch. Try this.
So I took the point of intersection of that, the point, the point which to be found h comma k,
Hmm.
and in the concept of that, where two tangents make to an ellipse, we have the tangent equation to be hx1 by a square minus ky1 k, I mean plus ky by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. That can I substitute over here?
Equation of common tangent.
Yes.
Okay, substitute. Check what you are getting. We haven't covered normal, right? Today we'll discuss normal and further. Anything you got?
Getting an equation like 16hx plus 11ky minus 256 is equal to 0.
Can you share me your working?
Yes.
H and K you have taken point, and then you have not connected this with circle equation. Why? You can think of connecting it with circle equation also. And as you have taken h comma k as the point, that means if you take the you have got the equation, right? So this equation should have a distance of radius from the center of the circle,
Yes, sir.
that perpendicular distance. So that way
But
I
we don't have the coordinates of radius, right?
yes, coordinate of radius we already have, don't we have? We have. Circle we have studied, so is it difficult to get the circle center coordinates? We can write it as x minus x square minus 2x1 plus 1 square minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 15. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
X minus 1 whole square, from here to here, this 1 is left, we can shift it to the right, plus y square is equal to 16, which is 4 square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 4 square. This is a general circle equation with the center to be 1 comma 0, right? And h comma k, you have taken the points on the circle and ellipse, which is common. So if this h comma k is common, that means from the center if I take, it should be equal to 4, and the center is 1 comma 0.
Yes, sir. I did not do in
Okay,
that way.
okay, connect in that. But the problem is two variables still remaining, and we have just one equation. This is the problem in taking h comma k. Can we reduce variable? Yes, we can reduce variable. There is an option. We can take the parametric form, a cos theta and b sin theta. Any point on the ellipse, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we take that, the variable will be reduced, because even if you take the perpendicular distance, you will get an equation in terms of h and k, right? But that h and k is actually not helping us. Okay, let us take in parametric form. A cos theta, b sin theta. So the equation given here is x square by 16 plus y square by 256 divided by 11. 256 divided by 11 is equal to 1. Are you clear with this or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah, clear.
That means any point can be in the form of a cos theta, so 4 cos theta, and b sin theta. B sin theta, b is 16 by root 11 sin theta. We can take like this.
Yes, sir.
And now we can write the tangent equation. Tangent equation is xx1 y1 is equal to 1. We can put the coordinates 4 cos theta and 16 by root 11. So we will get 4 will be cancelled. So x by 4 cos theta plus, if we put y1, the 16 cancel, root 11 cancel. So we'll get here y by 16 by root 11 and sin theta. This is equal to 1. Doubt?
No, sir. Understood.
This is the equation, and we know that from this equation the perpendicular distance from the circle is equal to radius, which is 4. We have already calculated. So mod of ax1, and what are the coordinates? 1 comma 0, and this is the equation. So it will be, at the place of x we can substitute 1, right? So 1 by 4 cos theta minus, if we put 0, we'll get here 0 and then minus 1 divided by under root of a square plus b square. What is a in this case? A in this case is the coefficient of x, b in this case is the coefficient of y, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So cos square theta by 16 plus sin square theta divided by 256 by 11, and this is equal to 1. Doubt?
No, sir.
Oh shit, why am I taking 1? This is equal to 4 because this is the perpendicular distance.
Yeah.
So 1 by 4 cos theta minus 1 divided by here 11 sine square theta, here under root of cos square theta divided by 16 plus 11 sine square theta divided by 256 is equal to 4. We can solve it further, or we can just square it. If we square it, we'll get cos square in the numerator, and this denominator part we can shift to the right and then square it. We'll get relation between cos square theta and sine square theta, right? And we can convert this sine square theta in terms of cos square theta and then get the value of cos theta. After getting cos theta, it is not difficult to write the coordinates, because we already have the coordinate in terms of cos theta and sine theta. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir, I've solved it further.
You can just note up till here and we can do the further concepts.
Then I noted everything.
Okay, you are noted. Let's go further. You are clear with the concept?
Yes,
Whenever there are whenever you take h and k, there are high chances that less number of equations are there and more variables are there, so it becomes complicated. So in those cases we always prefer to use the parametric form. Okay, not the question. Let's go to the normal equation. If we are aware of equation of tangent, we can write the equation of normal, because tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, right? What is the equation of tangent? If we have an ellipse, we just wrote in almost all the questions, if we have a tangent here, the normal is just perpendicular to it. This is the normal and this is perpendicular, that means 90 degree. Let this point to be P x1 y1. What is the equation of tangent? X1 y1 divided by a square b square respectively. That means if we have equation as x square by a square, y square by b square is equal to 1, we just used many times x1 by a square, y1 by b square is equal to 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
And normal, we need the slope. What will be the slope of normal? Can you find?
It would be like -1 by slope of tangent.
And what is the slope of tangent?
Minus b square y1 divided by a square x1.
So we can write the equation, the slope of normal as what we can write? A square y1.
A square y1 divided by b square x1.
Correct, very good. That means we have the coordinates, we have the slope, so y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal into x minus x1, and we can just substitute here. Y minus y1, mn is a square y1 b square x1 x minus x1. Done. And when we do this, we get the equation as we can just cross multiply it, b square x1 y1 and b square minus x square. We can simplify it, it's not complicated. The final expression I am writing just a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. and this was all discussion in form of coordinates. If we substitute x1 as a cos theta and y1 as b sin theta in the parameter form, a cos theta and b sin theta, what will be the equation? F
X ax by
a
cos theta
cos,
b by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square.
correct, and this we have to remember, ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. You can note all this.
Noted, sir.
There are some important properties related to normal. Whenever we draw normal, it will never pass through focus except the major axis. Normals other than major axis never passes through the focus.
But major axis like intersects the ellipse at 2 points, right? So how it is
It is
normal?
normal, it is not tangent. Normal can intersect ellipse at 2 points. Why not? Tangent
Yes,
cannot intersect. If we have an ellipse like this, okay, and suppose we have a tangent at this point, so the normal in this case will be this, which is the major axis, and this is the only normal which passes through focus. This is the concept. Are you clear now? This is tangent, this is normal,
yes, sir.
and normal can pass through more than one point. Done?
No, sir. Done, sir.
This is the ellipse. If we take any point P, x1, y1, and suppose there is a tangent here at this point, the normal through it will be like this, right? And there are two foci, f1, f2. The important concept here is that the normal bisects the angle formed with the foci, like this. If this is theta 1, this is theta 2, theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Okay, that means normal always
Theta 2 are the angles made by the foci with the normal.
yes, you can say. That means normal bisect the angles which the foci make with the point of contact of tangent and normal. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll note it down.
Okay. In some question we can use this also. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Let's do the question based on normal. Find the normal to the ellipse x square by 18 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1 at point 3, 2.
We need to find the equation, right?
Yes.
So I'm getting 6x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0.
6x plus 4y. 6x minus 4y it should be. Slight error.
I took plus instead of.
So your final
Yes.
equation is
6x minus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0.
which you can further cancel and write it as 3x minus 2y is equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Which method you used?
I substituted all these values in the a square x by x1 minus b square
Okay,
y by y1.
okay, got it. Find the point on the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 on which the normals are parallel to the line. Two x minus y is equal to 1.
Sir, but this is a vertical ellipse, right? So should we modify the equation accordingly?
Mm, which method you want to use?
I am first thinking to substitute the a value and b value in the form a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square
Oh,
minus b.
again in that form. Okay, use. You can easily use this parametric form. No,
A cos theta
yes, you can just convert and easily reach the answer.
a by cos theta.
Ax by cos theta, by sin theta, a square minus b square.
I'm getting 2 by cos theta into x minus 3 by sin theta into y is equal to 1. But further, how to simplify that?
Your equation is, tell
By
me.
substituting the values, I'm getting 2 by cos theta into x minus 3 by sin theta into y is
That
equal to
means
1.
2x by cos theta minus 3y by sin theta is equal to minus 5, right?
Uh,
Or not?
yes,
Have you got same or you are getting something else?
I'm getting the same, yeah.
Okay. And now this is the equation of normal, right? And which the normal are parallel to the line this. The parallel means the slope will be equal, correct?
The slope of that line is 2.
And slope of this line should also be 2. What is the slope? Minus a by b, correct?
I guess, sir.
Minus 2 by cos theta divided by minus 3 by sin theta is equal to 2. Negative negative cancelled, 2 2 cancelled, tan theta is equal to 3. Doubt?
No, sir.
If tan theta is equal to 3, we can write easily other forms. What we need exactly? Find the point on the ellipse. Okay, I need the point on the ellipse. The points can be a cos theta, b sin theta form. So I need cos theta and sin theta. If tan theta is equal to 3, cos theta will be tan theta is actually what? Perpendicular by base 3 by 1.
Root
That means
10
root 10.
hypotenuse.
Yes. So it is 1 by root
Would
10,
be 1 by root 10.
and the possibility can be plus and minus, right? Because we don't have any idea about how much angle it is making. And sin theta is equal to 3 by
Yes.
root 10. This is also plus minus depending on the angles and all. Okay.
Yes, sir. So after finding cos theta and sin theta, we have to substitute them
Yes.
too.
So this is cos theta and sin theta. So a cos theta is, a was what? A was 2.
Two.
So it will be plus minus 2 by root 10, and b was
3.
3. So plus minus 9 by root 10, and this is our answer. Clear? Doubt?
No, sir. I'm noting it down.
Okay, noted.
Noted, sir.
Let's quickly do one more question. The normal at p 2 comma 3 root 3 by 2 meets the major axis of ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 at q if s and s dash are foci of given ellipse, then find a ratio SQ S dash Q.
So how to visualize this?
The normal at particular point P meets the major axis of the ellipse. Firstly, we'll have to decide what kind of ellipse we can think here.
Horizontal.
Horizontal, correct. So this is the ellipse we can visualize, and there is a point P. It can obviously be somewhere here, right? Or we can take it somewhere here. Let's take this point P 2 comma 3 root 3 by 2. The normal at this point, the tangent will be like this here. So the normal at this point is meeting at Q if S and S dash are foci. Two foci are there. Let's take it as S dash S, and we know that this PQ bisect these two angles, right?
Equally.
Bisect means what? So SQ by S dash Q, we know angle bisector theorem, if you remember from, I think it was in 9th or 10th. Have you heard of angle bisector theorem?
It was actually deleted in 10th, but in my school they made some students do it.
Okay.
Did it.
So angle bisector theorem says that if there is an angle bisector, then the sides will be proportional, right?
Yeah, sides will be proportional to the
Yes. So
SQ.
SQ by S dash Q, if we have to find, this will be equal to SP by S dash P, right?
Yes, sir.
And is it difficult to find SP and S dash P? The answer is no. We have equation of ellipse, and from there we can get the foci coordinates, right?
Yes, sir.
We can easily get this was the first class discussion of the ellipse, right? So we can get the foci coordinates. After getting the foci coordinate, what is the foci coordinate? C comma 0 and minus C comma 0, And what is C?
C A square minus B square.
Yes, a square minus b square. And in
Root
this
of
case, root 7. Correct? So we are getting here root
root
7
7.
comma 0 and minus root 7 comma 0, and sp will be what? Root 7 minus 2 0. uh, sp distance formula you can apply, s dash p again distance formula you can apply, whatever you get, that will be your answer. Are you clear with the properties of the normal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can just note this. In the next class we can finish this topic. Almost everything is covered. We can practice some more concept. The chord of contact is left, rest of the things are covered.
In my school, they said they are not doing code of contact. Like my
Okay,
teacher at school was like, for concept is over without.
okay,
I'll anyways check and let you know, sir.
okay, sure. Or else
Or
we'll start hyperbola. Is hyperbola started?
no, sir. They'll start by next Monday.
Okay, okay, then that's all for today. Have you noted this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.